This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and chrome wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.